this is Tia from the Empowered Beauties with Brains. We have got Tula with us from Areti Goddess Events. She's the founder actually, and her next event is coming up on 20th of May in Surrey Hills. Tula, can you tell us a bit more about your event, please?
The Areti Goddess Events are to boost self-worth, which happens to be our #1 underlying issue, whether we know it or not. So it's a whole journey of events to empower women and entertain women. And the next one, which is #2 in the journey, is Love Knocks, my goddess relationship. And it's about relationship with the self, relationship with others, as well as intimate relationships. So I've invited all the best experts and put in the best tools, and it's going to be entertaining as well. So we're going to have speaking workshops, NLP, meditation. We're going to have someone there, an expert, Ali Mill, who's going to free your voice. And you're also going to learn the art of tease with our burlesque queen, Mia Mortor, who's going to do a little performance and teach you the art of tease. So it's basically boosting self-worth, which is at the bottom of every single issue, and the benefits are amazing.
Tula, can you share a couple of self and relationship tips with us?
Okay, I would love to. Okay, so first of all, with the self, what I advocate is that life is our work of art. So basically, we can create anything we want to, just like we create a beautiful meal, for instance. And when it comes to the self, it is treating ourselves the best way possible. Because if you really think about it, if others abused us, as much as we criticize ourselves, we wouldn't have them in our lives. So that's my #1 tip for the self. With relationships, I will say this. Every relationship is a mirror. So what we give to others, we give ourselves. What we deny others, we deny ourselves. Now, that is quite a big concept, and on the day there will be so many tips that you can take away with you. So I guess you'll find out more on the day.
Thank you, Tula. It was lovely having you and as one of the featured Beauty with Brains.
And thank you so much. I'm so excited to have Empowered Beauties with Brains collaborating with us, because it's all about empowering each other, girls.
Indeed, I totally agree.
Yeah.